Good day mga Kabayan Techers, this is the Kabayan Tech, and today we have another refurbishing series. It's the iPhone XR house replacement. But before we begin, help my channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. So we have a red enclosure here with the small parts already installed. This will make our repair a little bit easier to transfer all from the old phone. They also supplied us with the adhesive for the battery and the display. We start off by removing the rear camera. You might notice there is no cowling. I removed it already before you could remove this one, and place the rear camera on an anti-static plastic bag. Then we remove all the cables and the Face ID module and the rest of the cables that are connected to the logic board. Next is to compare what small parts we have on the new that we need to transfer from the old to the new enclosure. So we need to transfer some parts at the lower portion. We start off by removing the cowling that protects the lower part where the charging cable is. Make sure not to fully pull it up because there is a connector and you might break it. Next, we remove the Taptic engine and also the speakers. Then we remove the gaskets that covering the connector for the Taptic engine and also the speaker. So we remove the connector. We go now to the new enclosure and remove the cowling for us to connect the Taptic engine. Then next, we remove the SIM card reader. Take out the SIM tray and make sure to push the pin because we're going to need that one too. Then we take out the actual SIM card reader. Then we remove the screws from the logic board. Just be careful, make sure there's no cable caught. Then we put that logic board to the new enclosure and double check if there are cables that are sandwiched in between. This might damage it. Then let's screw the logic board. Now we put in the smaller parts for the new enclosure, connecting the rest of the connectors and also the charging port. Then we connect back the SIM card reader and connect it. Then let's put the grounding pin for the SIM card reader. Then we put in the cowling for the lower portion. The next, we clean the lens for the rear camera and also clean the rear camera itself. Then we put in the Face ID module, put back the battery, and also connect the display, and let's test. When everything is done, we're all good for this. So kindly click on subscribe. Thank you very much and have a good day.